Pour baking powder into the toilet tank. I discovered this method by accident when I mixed up products. Now I use it regularly. Get a small bowl and pour in an entire packet of baking powder. It works great for this task. Add about 2 cups of warm but not hot water. Stir the mixture. Cut fresh limes in half and squeeze the juice straight in. Lime juice is antibacterial and antifungal, and it also dissolves limescale and soap scum. Mix everything again thoroughly. You'll get a slightly fizzy, citrus-scented mixture. Remove the tank lid and carefully pour the mixture inside. Don't flush right away, let it work. Baking powder acts as a natural descaler. Combined with lime juice, it dissolves limescale, neutralizes bacteria, and eliminates unpleasant odors. Close the lid and leave it for at least an hour. After just one use, you'll notice the difference. The inside of the tank stays clean, free of scale and residue. No harsh chemicals, no effort, and it smells fresh. Plumbers don't want you to know this. When your toilet gets clogged, don't try to pour hot water to dissolve the blockage. It usually doesn't help and can even make things worse. You also don't need to invest in a plunger that often fails. Instead, you can use something ridiculously simple. I'll show you an effective method that really works. You only need one thing: a trash bag. Use a large one, about 15 gallons. That size fits best around the toilet bowl. Wrap the bag tightly around the rim, pressing it down evenly. Then lower the toilet seat. But make sure the seat is completely dry first. That helps the bag stick better. Stretch it so that no air gets underneath. The whole setup should feel tight and slightly springy. To seal it even more, sit down on the seat. Only now should you flush the toilet. If everything is sealed well, pressure will build up and act like a plunger. You can flush several times if your tank refills quickly. The clog will clear without using any special tools. It's a surprisingly simple and effective trick, and it helps you avoid unpleasant surprises in the bathroom. Pour 2 bottles of Coca-Cola into the toilet tank. Coca-Cola isn't just for drinking. It has properties that few people know about. And when combined with a few household ingredients, it can work wonders. Take a regular bar of soap and grate it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, then 4 tablespoons of Coca-Cola. Mix thoroughly until the mixture becomes sticky. Form a ball, wrap it in aluminum foil, and use a wooden stick to poke a few holes so the water can gradually dissolve it. Throw the ball into the toilet tank and you're done. With every flush, the water releases the mixture, which cleans the tank, the pipes, and the toilet bowl. The result? No limescale, a fresh scent, and no residue. You can prepare these balls in advance and store them in an airtight container. It's not only cost-effective, but also a simple way to keep your toilet fresh all month long. This simple trick is a hit among fans of practical solutions. Try it once, and you'll forget about expensive toilet cleaning tablets. Plumbers keep this from you. I inserted a hose into the toilet and got rid of the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and emits an unpleasant odor, you don't have to call a plumber. All you need is a regular hose from a dishwasher or washing machine and an empty bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half using a knife. Only the top part will be needed. Unscrew the prepared bottle and insert it into the end of the hosey. It should fit perfectly, as these are standard thread sizes. Use duct tape to seal the connection. Twist it several times securely. Take the other end of the hose. Cut it to a length of 1 meter. Do this at an angle. This will make it easier to use. Take the prepared hose to the bathroom. It will come in handy for pushing in deep cleaning pipes. Insert it into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's deep enough, stand the bottle upright. Pour a cup of baking soda into it. It has a cleaning and disinfecting effect. Shake the hose to make the powder fall to the bottom. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. It will react with the baking soda, creating a foaming reaction. It will clean the pipe from lime deposits. It will flush out the dirt clogging the drain. The chemical reaction will help eliminate the sludge responsible for the unpleasant odor in the toilet. This action will keep the pipes in good condition for longer, and you won't have to use a plumber's services. After removing the hose, wait for the soda and vinegar to drain into the toilet. Finally, check the water, and you're done. You can use a toilet brush to thoroughly clean the inside of your car. Sounds strange, but it really works. When I go to the car wash, I always take it with me. You just need to modify it for this trick. Take a clean toilet brush and use a saw to shorten the handle to about 10 centimeters. Attach the shortened brush to a drill. Its handle should fit perfectly into the drill's chuck. Now take this tool to your car. Just turn it on and apply it to dirty, dusty mats. The drill's power pushes the dirt out better than vacuum cleaners. You can literally see the dust bounce off the fabric. Just brush over the mats a few times at an angle. The dust that comes out is easy to clean. Moreover, the brush will also clean the crevices under and beside the seats, removing even large pebbles and debris. Making this brush cost me only 3 zloty, and my car mats haven't been this clean in ages. Unclog your sink in minutes. I'll show you how to clear the drain using something you probably already have at home. A clogged sink can happen easily when hair or debris gets into the drain. Go to your cleaning supplies cabinet and grab a spray bottle. You'll also need gloves. Open the bottle and remove the spray nozzle with its tube. This is the key to the trick. Using a utility knife, make a few small cuts along the tube, shaping them like a Christmas tree pattern. Put on your gloves and insert the nozzle tube into the drain. Move it around a little, adjusting its position. Start pressing the nozzle. After a few moments, you'll notice the water beginning to drain. When you pull the tube out, you'll see the debris that was blocking the sink. This simple trick will leave your sink clean and eliminate bad odors. My neighbor showed me this household trick, and it completely surprised me. It turns out that solving some annoying home problems doesn't require specialized tools, expensive products, or a professional visit. Instead, you can use something you probably already have at home. This everyday item can work wonders in a way you'd never expect. Here's how to use it effectively. First, fill a plastic bag with water in your sink. Place the bag directly over the problematic area, and now it's time for the magic. When you run water, the water-filled bag creates a vacuum effect that solves the issue effectively. The entire process is simple, quick, and most importantly, effective. This method is not only fast but also eco-friendly and practical. You don't need chemicals or costly tools. Who would have thought that such a simple household item could become an unexpected hero? Sometimes the best solutions are right at your fingertips. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean.